In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Euro bank account in Xero. Let's dive into this step-by-step process to help you quickly set up your Euro account and keep your finances organized. To get started, you'll need to open the Xero website. Make sure you're logged in with your credentials. Once you're on the Xero dashboard, head over to the top navigation menu. Here, you'll want to click on the Accounting tab. It's one of the main sections you'll use often, so it's good to become familiar with it. Next, you'll see a drop-down menu. Select Chart of Accounts from the list. The Chart of Accounts is essentially where you manage all the accounts related to your business. On this page, look for an option that says Add Bank Account. This is where you'll begin setting up your new Euro bank account. Now, you'll be prompted with a couple of options, but for this scenario, you should choose Add without bank feed. What this means is you'll be manually entering the transactions rather than having them automatically imported into Xero. This is a common choice if your bank doesn't support feeds or if you prefer to have more control over the data entry process. Once you've selected that option, go ahead and click Continue. This will take you to a new page where you'll need to enter the details of your Euro bank account. Start by entering the bank's name. Be sure to spell it correctly and double-check for any potential errors. Then, you'll need to provide an account name. This is often a name that will help you identify the account easily in Xero, especially if you have multiple accounts. Following this, you'll see various fields that might require additional information about your bank account. Take your time to fill these out with accurate information. Ensuring precision here is crucial as it prevents any discrepancies in future financial reporting or when entering transactions. Once you've carefully filled out all the required fields, your next step is to click Add Account. And that's it. You've successfully created a Euro bank account in Xero. This will allow you to track transactions in euros and keep your accounts well organized. Remember, now that you have this set up, regularly entering and reconciling transactions will help maintain accurate financial records for your business. If you run into any issues or need additional help, Xero's support resources are excellent and always available for detailed guidance. Thank you for watching, and best of luck managing your Euro transactions efficiently in Xero.